All right, we're gonna take a quick little look at Blizzard's lighting snowball effect. This is one of their inexpensive effects that actually packs a huge punch. Here's the reason why. First thing that you're gonna notice is with all of the other effects that are very similar to this, and there's probably about 5 or 6 different manufacturers that are making them, all of them seem to have parts on the outside that move. So usually this dome across the top is actually spinning. What these guys did is they said, let's make the mechanism on the inside spin and thus kind of have an outside armored case to it, and it works. Let me tell you, it works. Next thing that you're gonna notice is the whole thing is actually made from plastic, so it makes it very, very, very light. On one side here, we have the little panel for adjusting it to work with DMX, or if you want to be in one of the 2 sound operated modes, that's just right up on this side. As we go ahead and we flip it to the far side, you're gonna notice that there's actually a permanently attached power cord, and it's got about a 5 foot or so cord on it, so plenty long for what we need it for. And then there's a little fuse here, and then in and out for having it be DMXable. The biggest thing with this is with many of the other manufacturers that are out there, the LEDs snap from red to blue to green to whatever other colors that they have, and usually there's just kind of 3 colors. This one, they went ahead and they put white into it, so it has white that actually comes up on it. Another thing too that's really, really, really cool with it is the fact that it doesn't just snap between the colors, it actually fades. So I've got one here set up. Let's go ahead and plug it in. And the first thing that you're gonna notice here is as I go ahead and just tap on the bench, you can see that it's actually changing real slowly there. Or it's changing quickly, like with the beat of the song. Now, it kind of goes to dimmer music or whatever, and then the light is smart enough to know, let's just go ahead and start to move a little slower. And more importantly, look at what else it's doing. It's fading. And that's really, really, really cool for the simple DJ that just wants to put up an effect, you know, and then forget about it, because it makes it real simple. Next thing is, let's go ahead and take a look at a couple of the menus. So why don't you come on in here. So here we're just going to go ahead and take a look at the AU mode, which is the I want to select it myself type of mode. So we'll go in, we'll grab AU, and then there's all the way up to 19 different options for what you'd like to pick. Once you've selected one, here we're on white, you're just going to press enter, and it'll keep it entered the whole time. One thing that's really cool is if you actually unplug the light and replug it back in, it actually stays set to this, which is something that's kind of nice if you've got a color scheme like a blue or red or whatever they're doing for the wedding. You can just set it to that color scheme, and then when you flip them all on, you're set to go. So the bottom line is this, is we've tested a lot of these different options that are out there, and because of the fact that it is very, very light, because of the fact that it doesn't have any moving parts on the outside, because of the fact that it fades from color to color to color to color, and because of the fact that you can set it to whatever color and then turn it off and then turn it back on, I actually think out of all the globes that are out there, this is the one to buy. Once again, signing off for the Snowball light from Blizzard Lighting.